For this cake, I wanted to add a double layer buttercream effect. So I started by adding my first layer to the top half of the cake. Now it's time to cut off the top part of the extra buttercream. And this really helps you to get those really super sharp edges. Let your knife or your spatula sit in hot water for a few minutes, and that will really help slice off that frosting. And then once you're done, let your cake chill for 5 to 10 minutes. Once your cake is chilled, now you can start adding your second layer of frosting. It's important to chill your first layer so this way the two layers of buttercream don't blend together. And you can add this second layer as high as you'd like. And for a more natural effect, I just like to do a wave pattern on the top. Now just smooth out with your bench scraper. And if you're using a cake comb like this, just very gently run it along the side of the cake. And because I took the time to smooth the layer out first with my bench scraper, I only needed to do 2 passes with the cake comb. Then go ahead and freeze your cake again for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add your cake topper and any other types of cake decor you want to the top. Here I'm adding more of the Oreo buttercream and the blue buttercream. And I found these ring confetti pieces that were perfect for the Sonic rings. To finish the cake off, I added some Sweeta Polita sunny side up sprinkles that were the perfect blue and yellow mix for the Sonic cake.